Have you ever wondered what the next evolution of blockchain looks like? Imagine a technology that doesn't just try to be faster or cheaper, but completely redesigns the entire system from the ground up. This isn't science fiction. This is Celestia, the project behind the TI token. It's not just another altcoin fighting for attention. It's a modular revolution that's quietly reshaping the crypto world. Developers from major ecosystems like Ethereum and Cosmos are flocking to it. Smart money investors are adding it to their wallet. And many analysts believe TIA could be one of the most explosive performers in the next bull market. So, what's all the fuss about? What makes Celestia so fundamentally different from everything else out there? Why do developers see it as the key to unlocking truly scalable blockchains? And the million-dollar question, is Celestia poised for a massive breakout in the coming year? Stick around, because today we are diving deep into the world of Celestia. We'll break down its groundbreaking technology, explore its rapidly expanding ecosystem, and analyze its future price potential. You're about to find out why TIA might just be the next big crypto you wish you had discovered sooner. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is Celestia? In simple terms, Celestia is the world's first modular blockchain network. Now, I know what you're thinking. Modular sounds like a complicated tech buzzword, but the concept is actually pretty simple and incredibly powerful. Think about traditional blockchains like Bitcoin or the early versions of Ethereum. They are what we call monolithic. This means they try to do everything all at once on a single layer. They handle transaction, execution, settlement, consensus, and data availability all in one place. While this is secure, it creates a massive bottleneck. It's like a single highway trying to handle local traffic, long-distance trucks, and commuter cars all at the same time. Eventually, you get a traffic jam, and everything slows down and becomes expensive. This is the scalability problem that has plagued crypto for years. Celestia's genius is in its modular approach. It unbundles the blockchain stack. Instead of doing everything, Celestia specializes in two crucial jobs: consensus and data availability. It basically says, hey, other blockchains and rollups, you guys worry about executing transactions. We'll just provide a secure, decentralized, and incredibly efficient place for you to post and verify your transaction data. It's like building a city, instead of one giant skyscraper trying to be an office, a hospital, and a shopping mall all at once. Celestia builds the foundational infrastructure: the roads, the power grid, the water supply. Then, developers can come in and build whatever specialized buildings they want on top of that foundation, without having to worry about building the core infrastructure themselves. This is a plug-and-play ecosystem for blockchains. It dramatically lowers the barrier to entry for developers wanting to launch their own custom blockchains or rollups. This modular design is why Celestia is getting so much attention. It solves one of the biggest pain points for Layer 2 scaling solutions, often called rollups, on Ethereum like Arbitrum or Optimism, work by processing transactions off-chain and then posting a summary back to the main Ethereum network. The problem is, posting this data to Ethereum is still very expensive because you're competing for limited block space. This is where Celestia comes in as a game changer. These rollups can now use Celestia as their data availability layer instead of Ethereum. Because Celestia is specialized for this one task, it's significantly cheaper and more scalable. It's like choosing to send your data package via a specialized high-speed courier service instead of the regular, congested postal mail. This leads to lower fees and faster finality for the end users of those applications. We're already seeing this happen. Developers from both the Ethereum and Cosmos ecosystems are actively building on or integrating with Celestia. This isn't just theoretical hype. It's real, tangible adoption by some of the brightest minds in the space. Naturally, when developers start building, investors start paying attention. The TIA token is at the heart of this entire ecosystem. It's not just a speculative asset, it has real utility. To start, you need TIA to pay for data storage on the network, creating a constant source of demand. You can also stake TIA to help secure the network and earn rewards in return. Furthermore, TIA holders get to participate in governance, having a say in the future direction of the protocol. This trifecta of utility payment, security, and governance gives the token a strong fundamental value proposition. The growing interest from both developers and investors creates a powerful feedback loop. As more projects build on Celestia, they need TIA to operate, which increases demand for the token. As the network becomes more valuable and widely used, it attracts more stakers, further securing the network and making it an even more attractive platform for developers. This is the kind of sustainable growth that long-term investors look for. Many analysts are now predicting that the next major crypto cycle will be driven by the modular narrative, and Celestia is positioned right at the forefront of this trend. Let's zoom in on the ecosystem that's rapidly forming around Celestia. It's not just a standalone chain, it's becoming a hub of innovation. We're seeing a diverse range of projects integrating with it. There are new Layer 2 South, specialized app chains for gaming and DeFi, and infrastructure projects that make it even easier to build. Celestia offers developers a software development kit, or SDK, which makes spinning up a new rollup almost as easy as deploying a smart contract. This developer-friendly approach is a magnet for talent and innovation. Each new project that integrates with Celestia doesn't just benefit itself, it adds value to the entire network. Think of it like an app store. The first few apps are interesting, but when you have thousands of apps for every possible use case, the platform itself becomes indispensable. Every new rollup that uses Celestia for data availability contributes to the demand for TIA and strengthens the network's overall security and decentralization. Partnerships are key here, and Celestia has been making strategic moves to integrate with major players across the Web3 landscape. Now, let's talk about the market. What are the charts and social trends telling us? TIA has shown impressive resilience and consistent trading volume since its launch. It maintains a high level of social engagement with a strong and active community of developers, investors, and enthusiasts who are passionate about its technology. Unlike many projects that are fueled by pure speculation, Celestia's price action is supported by a real technological edge and a clear narrative for future growth. This is why analysts and savvy traders are watching TIA so closely. They are looking for signs of a breakout, driven not just by market sentiment, but by fundamental milestones, such as major project launches or significant increases in network usage. The combination of strong tech, a growing ecosystem, and a clear market narrative makes Celestia a fascinating asset to follow. Its performance is often seen as a bellwether for the entire modular blockchain sector. So, what does the future hold for Celestia? The potential is immense. The modular approach to building blockchains could very well become the industry standard over the next few years. Monolithic chains may start to look like outdated mainframes compared to the flexible, scalable, and sovereign ecosystems enabled by modularity. If Celestia continues on its current trajectory of adoption, it has a very real shot at securing a top position among critical infrastructure projects, right alongside giants like Ethereum and Cosmos. It could become the default data availability layer for a whole generation of new blockchains. This makes TIA a potential sleeper coin asset with fundamentals so strong that its upside potential could be far greater than what the current market price reflects. It's building the foundational layer for the next wave of Web3 applications, and investors who understand this vision are positioning themselves accordingly. To wrap it all up, Celestia is far more than just hype. It's a project built on deep technological innovation with a clear use case and rapidly growing adoption. By unbundling the blockchain, it offers a scalable, affordable, and flexible solution for developers, paving the way for the next generation of decentralized applications. The TIA token is intrinsically linked to the network's success, with genuine utility driving its demand. As the modular narrative continues to gain steam, Celestia is perfectly positioned to lead the charge. Thanks so much for watching. If you got value from this breakdown and want to stay ahead of the curve with daily crypto insights, analysis on trending coins, and deep dives into the projects that matter, make sure to subscribe to BullRun Radar and click that notification bell. Let's navigate the market and find the next big opportunities together. And as always, please remember this content is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.